Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the setting, and first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your Apple ID, and then you have to sign out your Apple ID and turn off your device, and then sign in your Apple ID again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to go back from here. Now first of all, let me tell you that if you are not connected with internet, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this. So first of all, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 second, and then turn it off, and then you have to do the process that I have already tell you, that you have to sign out your Apple ID. Okay guys, then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, then tap on software update. From here you have to make sure that if you don't have any pending update here, if you have, just simply have to update your device to the latest version. Now check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, now open settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. So from here guys, you have to wait some seconds. Okay guys, because it's loading here, because I have some network connection problem. So from here guys, you have to tap on manage payment option. Let me tell you that you have to make sure that you have given correct information here. Okay guys, also make sure that you have given correct number, or your debit or credit card expiry date is not over. You have given correct CV security code, and also make sure that you have given correct billing address, especially for the zip code. Now go back from here. Let me tell you that you have to make sure that if you don't have any unpaid subscription there, if you have, just simply you have to remove it or paid it, and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then at the end guys, you have to go to country origin section. From here guys, you can easily see change country origin section. From there you have to select that one, then after that you will see terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them, and after that you can see a lot of countries and select the country in which you are living, or in which your debit or credit card is made, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.